stunning home in the Sought-After Breckenridge Community. This gorgeous property features an open floor plan that offers endless options for comfortable living. As you step inside, you're greeted by an expansive entry foyer leading to main-level living spaces. A formal dining room, an oversized family room with extensive windows, a large open kitchen with an island, bright eat and breakfast area, making it perfect for gatherings, stainless steel appliances. The home includes a main-level bedroom with convenient access to a full bath and a laundry room. Upstairs you have a primary suite featuring tray ceiling, a walk-in closet, and a spacious bathroom, 3 additional oversized bedrooms. Attic with pull-down stairs and finished with flooring, great for extra storage space. The lower level features an in-law suite, with an additional kitchenette, a spacious rec room, a 6th bedroom, a full bath with walk-in shower, a media room ideal for movie nights, or 7th bedroom if needed, etc., or make it an office, so many options to make it your own. Additional features include a front-load 2-car garage with ample storage and pull-down stairs leading to a floored attic for extra storage space. Enjoy outdoor living on this maintenance-free, rear deck that overlooks a privacy-fenced yard on a large lot backing to woods. Home was recently repainted, new carpet and LPV flooring in lower level, 2-zone system, HVAC air scrubber, irrigation system, new Anderson windows.